Jordan Brand has decided to give us another Concord colorway, which I'm excited about because the Concord colorway is one of the most known and popular from all the other Air Jordans. When you think of Air Jordan Concords, you might be thinking of this, okay? The iconic Air Jordan 11 that transcended and changed the sneaker game forever, gave us some luxury like the patent leather on top of a streetwear sneaker like an Air Jordan. But yet, Jordan Brand is coming back with another touch on it, yet the same name as the Concord. To me, the Air Jordan 5 is a really good shoe. And even though it's not as big as the Air Jordan 1, Air Jordan 4, I definitely have a lot in my wardrobe because I appreciate the fit and the bulkiness of the Air Jordan 5. Here's today why I'm super excited to give y'all another early review on the Air Jordan 5 Concord. And without further ado, let's get into it. What is going on, everybody? It is your boy Snapper Jones, and as you can see, I'm back with another early review. Now, before we get started, bro, yo, sub to the channel, hit the like button, because yo, I've been bringing y'all early reviews for the last 2-3 months, and it's like y'all not subbing, y'all not showing love. I don't know what y'all got going on, bro, but fix it. Shout out to Hype247 for allowing me to use these sneakers to show y'all today, because the hints, or at least the leaks on this sneaker, is not totally accurate, so I hope that we can kind of cut off some of the miscommunication. The box is an all black box, but they did decide to put the Air Jordan Jumpman in bold in that Concord colorway. As we open this up to check out the sneakers, here we have the Air Jordan 5 Concord, okay? Thoughts, opinions. I'm not even gonna wait to the end of the video. I kind of want to hear them right now. You know, something that you see right away is this color scheme, or at least the color blocking, has been done several times before with Air Jordan 5s. Mainly the one that this reminds me of the most is the Air Jordan 5 Fire Red. Even though they decided to switch the colorway, I do think that this shoe is fire, okay? I love this shoe. I was kind of up and down about it, right? Because I'm like, okay, here we go. Another Air Jordan 5. What am I expecting? When I seen the on-foot photos of this Air Jordan 5 Concord, it changed my mind completely. We all seen sneakers, and matter of fact, if you haven't seen the on-foot photos, I'm gonna toss them up right now, but we've all seen sneakers on foot that maybe look way more attractive than just by itself. Several times I've been like, nah, I don't like those, until I walk outside, see somebody walking down the street, and I'll be like, dang, I slept. I missed out. These are supposed to retail for $200, and when it comes to like the leaked information I was telling y'all about, I did as much research as I can on the release date. It's been tied between August 13th, and I'm also seeing August 6th, but the only thing that's like constant is the retail price of $200. Now, the reason why I'm not sure if this shoe is actually going to release on August 13th is because I recently did the Air Jordan 7 Citrus. That was early too, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, if you're new to this sneaker community, you don't know who I am, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the channel, because I try my best to give y'all like a lot of early content. Air Jordan 7 Citrus, if I'm not mistaken, was supposed to release on August 13th as well. So, I'm not sure about the release date. It may change. We all know that Jordan Brand, a lot of times they push back release dates. Sometimes they even push them up for manufacturing problems, or just, I don't know, scheduling. They got too many shoes they're trying to drop at one time. Nevertheless, we still are expecting this Air Jordan 5 Concord. Now, this isn't the first time that Jordan Brand decided to spin that Concord colorway on another silhouette. I believe a few years ago, Jordan Brand came out with the Air Jordan 12 Dark Concord. They even came out with the Concord 11 Low IE. So there have been spins, and they definitely spent like the Concord colorway on other sneakers. However, this is my favorite one. No disrespect to 11 Low IE or that Dark Concord 12. I really didn't like that one much. I really like this sneaker. All white, the leather is really good on the uppers. Not to mention that the Jordan 5 silhouette is just something that I actually like a lot myself personally. I mention this often. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I kind of became like, you know, one of those guys that I like to wear like bigger clothes, like baggier clothes, nothing too major, but you know, the fact that the Air Jordan 5 has such a bulky upper, it just allows like your pants and your denim to kind of sit properly on there, and it just looks fire. So like one of my main go-tos, I'm a little too lazy to grab it right now, but I still do it for y'all, you know what I'm saying? Here we have the Air Jordan Off-White 5. I mean, I wear this shoe OD. Man, I need to clean it. Look how dirty it is. I'll probably get a lot of wears out of this Off-White 5. I even have the sale Off-White 5 somewhere in here. Maybe it's in the closet. But yeah, I get a lot of wears out of these just because I love the way that the denim and baggy jeans kind of fall on like the top of the sneaker. Even though it's a new colorway for the Air Jordan 5, they still didn't really get away from the things that they've always been known for. So let's get into a deeper dive into this Air Jordan 5 Concord and let's see what it's really about. So checking out the outer sole, we all know that the Air Jordan 5 is really known, just like the Air Jordan 11, coincidentally, for the icy sole, for the icy outer sole, which is still here. The translucent outer sole, we still get the Jordan Jumpman right there in the Concord colorway, the Jordan branding in the middle of the outer sole. As we check out the midsole of the sneaker, we do still get those iconic shark teeth on the side of the sneaker in the Concord purple, and we get black. Another thing that we always know and love from the Air Jordan 5 is the exposable air unit on the back heel of the shoe, but what we actually came here for was the upper. The upper, as I mentioned again, man, the material on here is just buttery smooth. If you want to know how these feel, like I said, the best way to go about it is checking out the Air Jordan 5 Fire Red. In my opinion, it's the same exact upper. The leather is kind of the same. I do see some leather quality as far as like the ridges or like the tumble feel. Let me see if I can actually show that in the camera. If I can see it. I don't think you can see it because of the studio lights, but in hand, you can actually see like some of the tumbled material. You can actually see where like the leather kind of, you know, wrinkles up and it looks pretty good, especially to a sneakerhead. Something that they decided to do that I actually liked was they decided to keep the eyelids white. It's a different type of white, almost like an eggshell white, but yet it's still white. Usually Jordan Brand takes advantage of the eyelids and make them different colors to make the sneaker pop. So this is probably where they would have probably used a secondary color like the Concord purple on the eyelids, which is here, here, and here. They would have probably used like a secondary color like the Concord purple, but instead they decided to keep it all white, which is pretty much dumbing down and just making it as simplistic as possible when it comes to the uppers of the Air Jordan 5. Another iconic thing about the Air Jordan 5 is the Pacifier lace lock that's always on the tongue of the sneaker. I mean, it doesn't get more iconic than that. They don't really use the Pacifier lace locks on too many different Air Jordans, but the 5 has always been known to have one. All translucent see-through. You also get like the Concord purple squeeze button to release or to tighten up the strings on the lace lock. Just like every other Jordan tradition, man, they still decided to go with the 3M tongue on this Air Jordan, so we get like the silver 3M look with the Concord purple Air Jordan Jumpman, as y'all can see right there. They decided to keep it the same. OG, I'm not mad at that. Alongside that, they decided to keep the Concord purple on the sock liner of the sneaker and even behind the tongue of the shoe as well, giving it a little bit of pop if you was to wear this like with some shorts or anything that's kind of exposing the upper of the shoe. You'll still be able to see like the depth of the sneaker by this Concord purple. Last but not least, they decided to throw the Air Jordan Jumpman on the back as always in that Concord purple to pretty much give it a complete and finished look. Now, even though this shoe may seem like kind of basic and kind of simple because majority of the upper is all white, I always hang my hat on the fact that sometimes less is more. I don't really think you need that all the over dramatic or a lot of, you know, the crazy colors or crazy schemes to make a complete shoe. I just think it need to make sense, be wearable, and be kind of cool. This could kind of be like a Court Purple 5 if you look at it that way. And we all seen how well like the Court Purple does, whether it's a Nike Dunk, Air Jordan 1. Actually, like the Court Purple was so successful with the Air Jordan 1, they made a 1.0 and a 2.0 just to give people different looks or, you know, a different option of wearing it with the black or without the black, and it still did well. I actually like the Air Jordan 1 Court Purple so much, I got both pairs. I got the 0.0 and 2.0. Last thing I forgot to mention is the caging unit on the side of the Air Jordan 5. They decided to use the translucent caging unit, which has kind of become standard for Jordan Brand, especially when it comes to these Air Jordan 5s. As you may know, just like the outer sole, this icy sole, over time it can oxidize and turn yellow. The same thing compares, or the same thing applies to the side panel or the caging unit on the upper third of the shoe as well. So just be mindful of that. These shoes will probably be full size run. Everybody should be able to get them. As far as how they fit, Air Jordan 5s are a bulky shoe. I keep saying that because I want my viewers to understand that, look, they don't fit like ones. They don't fit like the other, man, look, they boxy. They got a huge toe box. They crease very easily. But more importantly, they fit kind of bulky. I love going true to size. I mean, majority of my videos, I say go true to size because I like a true to size fit. I don't like my shoes being too small. And I also don't like a lot of room. I don't like my feet sliding in my shoes when I stop and go. Man, let me know your thoughts and opinions on the Air Jordan 5 Concord. Also, man, do not forget to leave a like on the video if you appreciate it, because getting these early pairs is not easy. Make sure you check out Hype 24/7, link down below, and I will see y'all in the next one. It is your boy, Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work, though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.